All right, doing something a little bit different this time. Uh, I've never opened hockey before, so saw that at the Target, decent price. And I know there's a huge rookie out there, Connor Bedard, so that's what I'm looking for, something Bedard. Uh, Not really a hockey fan. I mean, most of my hockey stuff was stolen in the break-in because that's all I collected was Hall of Famers, and that's what they took. So let's see if I get any Hall of Famers. I don't know if they do like reprint style stuff or they bring back the old players like some of the other brands do. Or how do you open this? That's weird. Or Bedard. This is 23-24 hockey Upper Deck artifacts. I think there's Bedard stuff in here. Retail blaster box, so I'm probably not going to get anything. It is retail. Retail, everybody tells you to avoid retail. But honestly, if you're just looking to stock up on some cards, retail's fine. There's a Roop Hints. Green, it's different than the other ones. Everything else is silver. Seth Jones. I don't know who any of these guys are. It's going to have to be a massive star for me to recognize their name. Let's see. Oh, there's a numbered card, 32 out of 75, Brock Nelson. Islanders. That's cool. I wasn't actually expecting anything out of the retail blaster, but that's all right. I don't know who that is, but it's numbered. I think the only hockey stuff I have left in my collection is some vintage stuff. I don't know who any of these guys are. David Perron, Logan Couture, Tyler Toffoli, Matthew Barzal, Sebastian Aho. Let's see. I'm going to just read the back. So, Charlie Coyle, Nico Hischier, Troy Terry, Jasper Bratt, and the green Patrice Bergeron. Let's go. Alexander Barkov, Jake Eichel, Philip Grubauer, Brock Boiser, Steven Stamkos. And maybe I'll send some of this stuff through the mail. I haven't done a whole lot of stuff through the mail lately. I know hockey is probably the best sport. Man, I got a nose hair that's irritating me. Hockey's the best sport that's for getting autographs through the mail. If they're in the States, anyway. I don't like doing international stuff. Andre Burakovsky, Tyson Barrie. Got a different card here. We've got Jonathan Huberdeau. I don't know why it's colored differently. It's not numbered or anything, but there we go. Nikolaj Ehlers. And Cale Makar. Last pack. Neil Pionk. Zach Werenski. Jared McCann. Noah Dobson. And Jacob Markstrom. How long has he been playing? Let's see, that name kind of sounds familiar, but I don't know. So yeah, the big hit out of the blaster was the Brock Nelson numbered to 20 to 75. Where is that other one? Why is that one not numbered? That one should be numbered. It looks just like the Brock Nelson, except it's green. So, but anyway. Thanks for watching. See you next time.